Hey guys, here's a little video. Some of you have asked. Yeah, I averaged almost 20 miles in this Ford, and those are really the miles 144, 357. I bought it brand new. It's a nice vehicle. I just use it for more deliveries and business, and everything works. The back actually is full right now of a big noodle cushion I have, but everything works. It's nice. All the seats work. Everything here works. The AC is super duper nice and powerful. Never had issues with anything. Well kept vehicle. Ford Explorer 2017, and we just had it nice and washed, so it looks a little neater. Hope you like it. Let me know if you have any questions. See, I got rid of every little dirt there is. It needs to be a little, maybe, what they call that, wax or something. But it looks great. I hope you like it. Tell your friends. For sale now. By your friends at White Lotus Home. Yep, no scratches, nothing. Just after 5 years or 6 years, we are looking for a bigger vehicle. All right, everything works. Ford Explorer 2017. On sale for $15,000, or best offer at this point. Take care.